Welcome to the Exam Coach 11 Plus Exam Daily Vocab Show, where we build your 11 Plus exam vocabulary one word at a time. Today's word is lament. It's pronounced la-ment, and it is spelt L-A-M-E-N-T. Think la and then ment. The word lament can be used as a noun and a verb. Therefore, it is both a thing and a doing word. Lament means a crying out of grief or sorrow. For example, you might lament your past decision to not prepare for an important test when you realize you don't know any of the answers. As mentioned, lament can be used as a noun or a verb. For example, in the phrase, "His voice was full of lament and sorrow," lament is used as a noun, meaning a passionate expression of grief or sadness. However, in the phrase, "She was lamenting the death of her friend," lamenting is used as a verb, meaning she was mourning. Lament is defined as a passionate expression of grief, regret, or sorrow. Lament synonyms include mourn, grieve, and sorrow. Antonyms include celebrate, rejoice, elation, delight, and joy. Try to use this new word today. If you see a friend or family member avoiding doing their work or homework, tell them they'll lament not doing it later. Have a top day ahead, and we'll be back tomorrow at the same time for another Exam Coach 11 Plus Exam Daily Vocab Show.